5, a disturbing case of perverted justice. He's sworn to uphold the law, to prosecute those who commit crimes. But tonight, this man, a Justice Department officer, is charged after being caught in an internet sexting involving children. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. And we do want to tell you that we should caution you. What you're learning tonight is very disturbing.
Yes, an assistant U.S. attorney from Florida finds himself on the wrong side of the law tonight. He's accused of going after a 5-year-old girl from right here in Metro Detroit.
The intended victim is from Macomb County. The Florida lawman is from a town of Pensacola down in Florida. But at this hour, he's being held in a local jail cell. Local 4 Steve Garagiola is live in downtown Detroit with more on how this case came down.
Oh, it is just incredibly disturbing. Not only is this guy an assistant United States attorney, but he's also president of a youth sports association in the city where he lives near Pensacola, Florida. So he's got a lot of contact with young children. Now, this was a sting operation, so there is no actual victim in this case. But what is truly frightening is that based on statements from the accused, there are very likely many real children out there who are victims.
John David Atchison, arrested yesterday at Metro Airport upon arrival from Florida, made his first appearance in Detroit federal court today. According to a deposition from the FBI special agent in charge of the investigation, Atchison told the undercover detective to tell her daughter that, quote, "You found her a sweet boyfriend who will bring her presents." The undercover detective expressed concern about physical injury to a 5-year-old girl engaged in sexual activity. The suspect responds, "I am always gentle and loving. Not to worry." Most disturbing to investigators is the suspect's third response. When the detective asks, "How can you be certain there will be no injury?" The suspect responds, "Just gotta go slow and very easy. I've done it plenty." Atchison is 53 years old, an assistant United States attorney in Pensacola, Florida, who described himself online as a family man.
So Atchison remains in federal custody right now. A detention hearing happens tomorrow, at which time a judge will entertain questions about bond. Rhonda?
Oh, Steve, this is so disturbing. Can you tell us what was the connection to Michigan? Does this assistant U.S. attorney have any special connection here to Metro Detroit?
Well, actually, no. He has no connection to Metro Detroit. And here, credit has to go to the Macomb County Sheriff's Department and their MACE unit, which is Macomb Area Computer Enforcement Team. They set up the online sting. And in fact, they have arrested 3 out-of-state suspects who have tried to engage sex with a minor. So the work of the Macomb County Sheriffs is really paying off, that work they're doing online.
Oh, yeah. Well, we've reported on their successes with that unit many times, Steve. We're glad it worked in this case.
Yeah.